So, Angelina. Oy, Angelina. Go to sleep na, ha? May pasok ka pa bukas.
I don't like, but I'm not yet sleepy.
Hindi mo kasi sleepy. Naku, kailangan matulog ka na. Kasi, alam mo, basahan kita ng bedtime story. You like, ha?
Whatever.
Sige, basahan kita para antukin ka. Ito. Oh, this very nice. Oh. Okay. Once upon a time, there was a pretty young girl named Cinderella. Cinderella was not by every... Because... Angelina, don't do that. Hindi ka makatulog niyan.
I don't care.
Angelina, you don't like this, Cinderella?
So corny.
Okay. Sige, I will do another, huh? How about this, Little Mermaid? Huh?
It's so boring, that story.
No, it's
Don't
Snow
like
White. It's Snow White.
It's so corny.
Angelina.
I don't like that.
Stop
I don't like that.
Ano kung hindi ka makatulog niyan?
So
ha?
cares. You're such a loser.
Angelina, sige, gawin ko...
Loser.
Oh, you like singing, loser. Sige,
Loser.
paghili na lang kita, ha? Paghili na lang kita. Kasi ganyan ang mga baby talaga na batang Pilipina pinaghihili para makatulog.
Okay.
Ha? Okay? O sige, paghili kita, ha? Uy, good girl naman yan. Oh, good girl. Okay. Angelina, don't do that. It's bad. Don't do that.
Submission.
Don't do that.
Submission.
Stop out. Ano ka ba naman, Angelina? Hindi ka hindi ka makatulog niya. Pag ganyan ka na ganyan. Kailangan matulog ka na kasi ako, maaga rin ako gigising bukas.
I'm not yet sleepy, Yaya.
Ang sa bata na ito. Sige, ano na lang. You want, I'll get you some milk, ha? I'll make timpla some milk for you.
I like that.
You like? You like? Okay, good
Thank
girl.
you.
Wait, ha? Wait here, ha? I'll get milk, ha? I'll get milk.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, Angelina. Yes, yes. Wait lang, ha? I'll make timpla lang the milk.
Wow, milk.
Okay, yes, milk.
Wow.
Okay, wait. Wow, lang kung hindi ka pa.
You're so sweet, Yaya.
There you go. Very nice. 1 glass of milk.
I don't like milk.
What?
I don't.
What you don't like milk?
I don't like
milk. Come on, you drink milk.
So I don't like.
Cooking ka na.
I don't like.
Adelina.
I don't
Come here.
like. May habol. Yaya, may habol.
Come here.
I don't like.
Sandali. Ay, kabata.
I don't like.
Oh, look at me. Oh. I feel pain. I get dizzy. I get sick. Wait. I can breathe.
Yaya, you okay? Yaya, please don't die. Please don't die,
You
Yaya.
have to sleep with me, Angelina. Para ako makabalik sa dati kong pakiramdam.
Wait, Yaya. Yaya, you're still tired?
I'm so tired. You sleep with me now, Angelina.
Wait, Yaya. Wait,
Okay.
You're still tired?
Yes, I am. Oh, come on, Angelina. Huh? Yes, thank you. Good girl. But you sleep with me now. Okay. Thank you. Where did you get that milk?
The one you gave me. The one you gave me.
You should not get that milk. Did you hear? Where did you get that milk? Angelina, you don't do that for your